What? I'm not an orange. You must be my big brother. I'm not your brother. Yeah, you are. I'm orange. You're orange. We're both oranges. I'm not an orange. I'm a pumpkin. Pumpkin? Don't you mean plumpkin? You're huge. Ha 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 ha. That's real funny. Pumpkin. It's pumpkin. Hey, pumpkin. What? How'd you get so plump? Hey, pumpkin. Want to see a trick? That's not even a trick. Hey, pumpkin. It's pumpkin. Hey, pumpkin. What? Can you touch your eyeball with your tongue? No. Yeah, then you try it. Try it. Orange, knock it off. You're not trying. Oh my God, stop it. I'm a pretty relaxed guy most of the time. It takes a lot to get me riled. But you are driving me crazy. And I've only been here, what, a minute? You don't shut up. It's pumpkin. Pumpkin. Not
Look at him.
not pumpkin. I'm not your brother. Wait, why are you mumbling and making that face? Nice. Huh? Tearing your insides out. Hey, Plumpkin. Hey, Plumpkin. Somebody cut the face on your butt.
It's gone. What happened? Where'd the annoying orange go? Do you want to say more? Ask Mum. Put more on. Hang on. Not yet, Mum. Not yet, Mum. Not yet, Mum.